G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Today we've got a Peugeot 307 in for overheating, so stick with us and I'll show you what we found. So we got the vehicle in and confirmed the customer's complaint and found the cooling system fan not working at all. We had a look at the main connector to the fan and we found no power from a blown fuse and no ground from the fan control module. We tested the fan unit itself and found it drawing way too high current, which is what we know blew the fuse. And obviously not wanting to take any risk in the system, we replaced the fuse, the cooling system fan and the module, fan control module itself. And as you can see, due to the kilometers and the state of this module, we decided that was a good idea to do it all in one hit anyway. So there you go guys, the parts are all fitted and the car is now working perfectly, not overheating any longer. Just a simple one. We'll throw this up as a repair solution, and thanks for watching. See you next time.